Welcome to 5 Luo Words a Day. In today's edition, we shall talk about 3 words: Asumbi, Asuogo, and Asuong'o. So welcome, and feel free to share this video with your friends. If you've not followed this channel, there are 72 other videos that talk about 5 Luo words. So that means you have a total of about 300 Luo words that you can benefit from. The first word is Asumbi. Asumbi has many meanings, so we shall explore about 4 of them. Asumbi would be a small water pitcher, and in a sentence you can say, Kano pimodo e asumbi mio obet mang'ich. Kano pimodo e asumbi mio obet mang'ich. So keeping water in a small pitcher keeps it cold. Our second Asumbi is a place in Kenya. There's a place in Kenya called Asumbi, or known as Asumbi. Achieng ne odhi Asumbi chieng ngeso. Achieng ne odhi Asumbi chieng ngeso. So that means Achieng traveled to Asumbi on Saturday. Then another Asumbi would be, Asumbi denotes a steep rift situated close to a hill cliff. Now there is this saying that between a rock and a hard place, in Luo you would say, Kind akuru kod Asumbi. Kind akuru kod Asumbi. So that's between 2 fragile, equally consequential decisions. The other Asumbi is a lion's roar. When a lion roars, you can say, Sibur goyo Asumbi. So the lion is roaring, so Sibur goyo Asumbi. Great. I hope you're enjoying this. The next word we want to talk about is Asuogo. Asuogo. Asuogo is a type of tree. This tree is used for making stools that traditionally men were sitting on. So in a sentence you can say, Yen mar Asuogo ema loso thin mag jodongo mabeyo. Yen mar Asuogo ema loso thin mag jodongo mabeyo. So it's the Asuogo tree that is used for making the wonderful stools for the old men or for the elderly. Then our last word of the day is Asuong'o. Asuong'o. Asuong'o means a swarm of bees. Asuong'o. In a sentence, Kich ne ochopo apoya e Asuong'o ma okayowa malich. Kich ne ochopo apoya e Asuong'o ma okayowa malich. So we suffered from bee stings from a sudden appearance of a swarm of bees. I hope you enjoyed this session, this edition of the 5 Luo Words a Day. Please consider sharing this video with your friend. Give it a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to the channel. Now if you want to subscribe, you see where my mouse is right now? Let me put my mouse. You see where my mouse is right now? Just touch that place and you'll see the subscription button. And you just click subscribe, and then you'll not miss a video from our channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please have a great one today, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.